Join me as I dive into the surprising heart attack signs that you might be ignoring every day. Heart attack, two words that can send chills down your spine. But what if I told you that there are signs and symptoms that can indicate a heart attack is looming, yet they're often brushed off or misinterpreted? Recognizing these signs is crucial for early intervention, which can literally be the difference between life and death. Unfortunately, many of us tend to neglect or downplay these warning signals, thinking they're just minor issues or mere coincidences. But I'm here to tell you that it's time to take control of your health and pay attention to these often ignored signs. By doing so, you'll be empowered to seek medical help when it matters most. One of the most common misconceptions about heart attacks is that they always present with severe chest pain. You know, the classic movie scene where someone clutches their chest and falls to the ground. While chest pain can be a symptom, it's not always the case. In reality, heart attacks can manifest in many different ways, making them easy to misdiagnose or disregard. This misconception can lead to devastating outcomes, as people may not seek medical attention until it's too late. Studies have shown that up to 30% of heart attack patients don't experience chest pain at all. Instead, they might experience symptoms like shortness of breath, dizziness, or even pain in other areas of the body. So, what's happening here? Why are we so misinformed about heart attack symptoms? It's time to shed some light on these often overlooked signs. For example, did you know that shortness of breath can be a sign of a heart attack? You might feel like you can't catch your breath, or that you're wheezing or coughing. This is because your heart is struggling to pump blood, leading to fluid buildup in your lungs. Fatigue is another common symptom that's often dismissed as simply being tired or stressed. However, if you're feeling exhausted or lacking energy, even after getting plenty of rest, it could be a sign that your heart is working overtime. Jaw pain, which might seem like a dental issue, can also be an indication of a heart attack. This is because the nerves in your jaw are connected to your heart, and pain in this area can be a referred pain from your heart. Let me share a story with you. My friend's grandmother had been experiencing jaw pain for weeks, thinking it was just a toothache. She put off going to the dentist, but eventually, she ended up in the hospital with a massive heart attack. Fortunately, she survived, but her story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of listening to our bodies. Don't ignore those subtle symptoms. They might be trying to tell you something. I've heard so many stories like this, where people dismissed their symptoms, only to find themselves in a life or death situation. Don't let this be you. Take control of your health and learn to recognize these often ignored signs. Let's talk about another important symptom: pain or discomfort in your arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. This type of pain can be a sign that a heart attack is imminent, as it's often caused by blockages in the coronary arteries. Feeling weak or lightheaded can also indicate a heart attack, especially if you're experiencing it alongside other symptoms like dizziness or cold sweats. Remember, heart attacks can happen to anyone, at any time. It's crucial to stay vigilant and take action if you're experiencing any unusual symptoms. Meet Sarah, who suffered a heart attack at the age of 42. She thought she was just experiencing stress and fatigue, but in reality, her body was sending her warning signals that she ignored. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that heart attacks can happen to anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Don't wait until it's too late, take action today. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, educate yourself on the often ignored signs of heart attacks. Learn to recognize these subtle symptoms and take them seriously. Second, be proactive about your health. If you're experiencing any unusual symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. Lastly, share this important information with your loved ones. Encourage them to take control of their health and recognize those often overlooked signs. In conclusion, don't ignore those subtle symptoms any longer. Take control of your health today, and remember, awareness is power. Thanks for watching. Have you or a loved one experienced a heart attack? Share your story with me in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about heart health, be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell for more health tips and updates.